Welcome back. Today we are taking you to Nosy Iranja. It is actually famous for these two connected islands and it's gorgeous, and people say it actually gives you goosebumps even if it's your third, second, fourth time. Come with us. But what was that one you said?
Small lily.
Yeah.
Ranzakili.
Razakili.
Yeah, Ranzakili.
And this one?
Ranzabi.
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 Okay. Merci. Don't forget the name.
Okay. Copy the show, guide.
Okay. So peaceful, so magical, so clear. Honestly, I've been dreaming of hopping from island to island and enjoy meal on the islands and seafood and explore islands and maybe just swim, do anything you want to do. Just laid back and chilled. Like this? Huh? The water is maybe going back. These island trips excursions are full package mainly, so it includes food, drinks, and also the whole trip is covered by them, unless you are planning to stay on the island, which is also beautiful. Maybe it's a plan for next time. They have this beautiful cottage and highly wooden and natural constructions. It's just be completely in nature. I think it's ideal, unless it's like high tide season and storm season. I think it's best to plan this trip again next time. But let's walk around. But what was that one you said?
Small lily.
Yeah.
Ranzakili.
Razakili.
Yeah, Ranzakili.
And this one?
Ranzabi.
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 Okay. Merci. Don't forget the name.
Okay.
Okay, fun facts while we are walking. But guess who is the majority, or from which country are the majority of the tourists? So mostly even in the planes that you see so many people that are coming from Europe generally. And I assumed that it would be people from France, right? Because also maybe other countries who speak also French. Apparently, it is mostly Italians, and as we are told by the local community and all the managers that we met so far, it is actually people from Italy. And especially on the high seasons, it is like so many people speaking Italian all over everywhere. And in Madagascar, it's not only French or Malagasy, they also speak a lot of Italian. I was surprised. Are you surprised? I'm really surprised.
It is amazing. So those two. And you have that one. It will look magnificent as it is, the way you see it in the internet. And Harry and me are mesmerized by the view. I hope the video is making justice, doing justice.
Maybe we are a little bit late. Maybe not. Yeah, so we dropped our stuffs there where they will be serving the lunch. And we tried to walk that side.
They'll have a hotel here. If you want, you can stay here. Probably not in the stormy season.
Most of the concerns that people have towards Madagascar is also about malaria. To be honest, there was not even a single mosquito in the rooms, so it was completely bite-free for me, because normally they really love to keep biting me wherever I go. Wherever there's mosquitoes, I am their favorite. But here, there was not even a single bite. So it was happy, and don't worry about that so much.
we have arrived. Crossed. Be nice, so we can also swim a little bit. Pull ourselves down. Let's see how it looks. So the water is gone in the low tide mode anyway. Okay. Whew. Right, left, 1 feet at a time. So good. Oh, we made some pictures. We just dip a little. Enjoy the view. Now it's time for Pesa. Mittag essen. Lunch. Okay, let's go.
As far as we Africans are concerned to coming to Madagascar, it is mainly South Africans and sometimes people from Ghana, but not so many from Ethiopia. Maybe it's not really quite a distance to fly from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, towards Madagascar. It's literally just 4 hours flight, and prices are considerable, but the main destinations for Ethiopians seem to be Zanzibar or Mombasa generally. There are a lot of parties and a lot of trips just for the beach and resting day. There's a lot of honeymoon days or couple times that people book, and it's mainly to maybe Lamu in Kenya or Zanzibar, but not mainly to Madagascar. I'm wondering why or why not, but either way, this is different from the other experience that I have in Zanzibar or in Kenya itself. Another version of beautiful side of Africa, and to be honest, I definitely want to come here maybe at least once a year, but the expenses might be too much, and there's a lot more to explore in this world, definitely.
It is gorgeous, you can see. If you want some African souvenirs, of course you can always buy this. It seems that they have also a lot of restaurants happening here. I'm sure it's so gorgeous in the evening, but I'm not sure if they would let us stay that long. I think they are about to do lunch now, I assume. So we're heading in. Lunch time.
Yeah, a little bit.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, second bit. Okay.
Gorgeous. Fish next to the sea. Sounds perfect. Bon appetit. Big party.
Who's coming? 10 more people?
Surprise. We have surprise people coming.
We need to finish it, huh?
Yeah.
No way.
Elle est facile Please.
Nice. English? Yeah. A little bit. Okay. I think I take the yellow one. These are gorgeous. Heat. But what I'm looking for before we leave is this beautiful African pattern somehow. So I'm gonna take one. Maybe I can make a skirt out of it. Let's see, because the last African event I wanted to have something African and I didn't want to repeat my traditional dress again and again. Okay, we're going for this one. Yeah, I think the red would not work. It sounds very no, I think this is good. That's good. Okay. All right. Yes. Gorgeous, no? I think I can do like that.
wrap it around. Good. Uh-huh. Okay. Nice. I'll do that. Can I try? Can I try to do the same? I try. Voila. Oh.
I see.
Yeah, it's okay. Like this. You see me?
Yes.
I'm in Madagascar now. Like this? Huh?
No, I hands enough on me. No, my English with them. No, yawan.
English. Okay.
French.
Alright, it's almost 3 p.m. 2:30. Because the captain said it might be too wavy, so we should leave early because we don't wanna be in a scary sea and in a storm. So let me grab Harry and we'll hit the road. Oh, not the road, the sea. Such a vibe. All right, we are here. We have to leave in a few minutes. That is our boat, but la captain is not here. So, just quick tip: when you buy those hats that before you do those boat trips, make sure that they have a string, because I almost lost mine like a couple of times. To bring your friend a game, as much as you know, it's easier when you know a certain language. As most African countries, it has a lot in common, so you get along easily. The food was amazing from this trip, like the other one. What was it? Like the boy was so sweet. Like the tourism, everything is super professional. Till next time, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. I hope it's not gonna be so bumpy, right? But this is it. Thank you, Madagascar. Thank you, those beautiful islands. But what was that one you said?
Small lady.
Yeah.
Ranzakili.
Ranzakili.
Yeah, Ranzakili.
And this one?
Ranzapi.
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 Okay. Merci. I don't forget the name.
Okay. Copy this guide.
Okay. At sundown. You said you were not asleep. Look at it now. Ah, there's something. Let's see, I'm completely wet.